All right, we have the DK1209 labels as well as the label holder. I'll show you how to assemble that. Take the left piece. These are in order: left, the middle, and the right. The part that protrudes, face it down. You find the tab. Take the part that holds the core. Try to line up this hole with this tab. Just insert it like that, then push. If it doesn't go directly on, which usually it does not, you just rotate it till you find that hole. You confirm that it's in all the way by checking on these two tabs. All right, so then with the long side facing you, load the labels, also coming over the top facing you. And then take the right piece with the tab on the bottom, line up with the slit also on the bottom, push it on until it snaps. There it goes. And then you're good to load it in the printer, like so. All right. Then real quick, I'll show you how to disassemble. Should only need to do this once your roll is empty. Go ahead and pretend that mine is. So I start with pushing this bottom part that way, like this, nice and slow. Once you have a little bit of a gap, then just wiggle it out, like that. Then you take out the old core, load up the new one, you're good to go.